Amber, you're the best hula hooper ever.
Wow.
Where's that hand thing? See if you can do it for a long time. Ready, go.
Wow. You guys want to be on the video? Okay, we can all do it. Okay, turn around. You got to look at. Back up.
No.
No.
Don't.
Go.
There you go. Ooh, wow. Good job. Good job, Allie.
You're right, Allie.
You see Amber in the background. She's the best. Amber, you're the best.
Careful.
Oh,
Gotcha.
careful.
Go, Mia.
Good job, Mia. Woohoo!
Keep going, girls. Yay. Uh-oh. Come here. Let me fix it again. Not you, Mia. You go over there and do it. Holly's
Ow.
Okay, Mia. Your turn. Go. Do it.
Okay, Mia, hula.
Over by Amber, sweetie, so we can see both of you.
Go over by Amber. That way you're not glowing because you're in the shade.
Whoop. You gotta spread it hard. Go over that way, Mia. Okay, good job. Go. Twirl it harder, Mia. Wait over your hips. Remember? Wow! Hey, Mia, you do it. Good girl, Mia. Come on, you can do it.
Oh, you guys are awesome.
Wow, do it. Mia, take it. Swing it around real hard. And wiggle your bottom.
Hallie, you're like getting in front of everyone. Move.
Give me a go, sweetie. Go. Do it again. Hold it and twirl it and then wiggle. Twirl it.
Whoa.
Twirl it. Hold it up here to show you. Okay, hold it like this on your back.
Okay, now we're video hooping.
Hold it like this. Get up. Hold it. Ready? Hold it like this where it's on your back real tight. And then you go 1, 2, and then you have to wiggle 3. Did you see that? Go, do it.
Oh, Liddy, that was amazing.
I did it? Yay! Thank you. No, I didn't. I did do it. Watch. Ready? Well, you show me. You show me. Oh, you broke it. You broke it. You're just too good. You're going to have to stop playing with the green.
Mia, stand in the shade, honey. You just look like a glowing figure. Do it again, Mia.
That's how you do it?
Mia, do it again.
I can fix it. Do it again, Mia. Let Lenny see. Do it as good as Lenny. Mia, whoa. Okay.
You gonna wiggle? Oh, Mia, you're cute.
Okay, go. I'm watching now.
No one hula hoops like Amber, though. You're the best, Am.
Okay. Go over by the girls. Here. Go over by the girls. Okay. What? Kerplunk.
Blake.
Okay, do it again.
The sun is murdering me.
1, 2, 3. Do it over there. Pick it
Whoa.
up. Do it, Blake.
That's perfect. That's exactly how you do it.
Do it again, Blake. Good job. Woohoo!
Girls, get in the shade because you guys are just glowing in this video.
Hurry. Oh, jump rope. Hey, Blake, go.
Mia, I love your little wiggle, Mia.
Go, Blakey. Go, Blakey.
What are you doing, Blake? You break dancing?
Blakey, hula hoop. Okay, go girls. Come on, get the hula hoop, Blake.
Go, Blakey. Go, Blakey. Go, Blakey. Come on. I'll see you now. Go.
Up. Oh, what's that song that Aaron taught you? Come on.
Peanut.
Peanut butter.
Come sing it.
Reese's.
My hair is so such a head through and I've been at
Right.
Peanut butter is a get my
No, remember, yeah, that's good. Mess with me, I'll kick your. Oh no!
Bang, bang, choo-choo train, come on, wanna do it then?
I can't.
Why not?
I just can't.
Why not?
My head hurts, my dress too tight. My hips are shaking left and right.
Left,
Right.
right, left, right, left, right. Peanut butter Reese's cup. Mess with me, I'll kick your. Bang, bang, choo choo train. Come on.
Hallie, do your thing.
Okay, Hallie, do your thing.
I can't.
Why not?
I just can't.
Why?
Because my head hurts, my stomach because my hips moving left and right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Peanut butter Reese's cup. Mess with me, I'll kick your butt. Bang, bang, choo-choo train. Come on, Ellen, do your thing.
I can't.
Why not?
I just can't.
Why not?
Cause my head hurts, my skirt's too tight, my hips moving left and right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Peanut butter Reese's cup. Mess with me, I'll kick your. Bang, bang, choo choo train. Come on, Blakey, do your thing.
I will.
Why not?
I'm serious.
Left, right. I can't. I just can't. Cause my head hurts, my skirt's too tight, my hips are moving left and right. God, Blakey, that was so funny. Come on, Amber, do your thing. Why not? Why not?
My head hurts.
I'm moving. Peanut butter Reese's cup. Mess with me, Al. Me again? I can't.
Why not?
I just can't.
Why not?
Cause my head hurts, my skirt's too tight, my hips are moving left and right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Peanut butter Reese's cup. Mess with me, I'll kick your. Bang, bang, choo choo train. Come on, Mia, do your thing. Why not? Why not?
You remember this?
Cause
What?
My head.
Cause my head hurts?
Yes, we did yesterday.
Come on, Mia. Do it. Do it. Alright, that's the end of the video. Everybody say goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you. Say goodbye.
Say goodbye, Mommy.